Changing the email link to your Xbox account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your current email address and password associated with your Xbox account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once signed in, navigate to the Your Info section. This is where you can manage your account details, including your email address. Step 3. Select Manage how you sign into Microsoft. Before changing your settings, use the shark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Add a new email address. Click on Add Email to create a new email address or add alias if you want to use an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the new email address and verify it. Step 5. Set the new email as primary. After adding the new email, you will need to set it as your primary alias. Find the new email in the list selected and click on the option to make it your primary email. After completing these steps, your Xbox account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox for any verification emails to finalize the process.